Hey, okay, here we are. Our apartment in Glen Cove, first time. It was a one bedroom we bought online, sight unseen. That couch was there when we got there. Here's the outside. It was garden apartments, first floor, second floor. We were in 18U. See above Vinny's head with the AC to your right? That was our apartment. That was our view. Really, really beautiful. We loved it. Now you could see it's empty. It's painted nice. It's fresh. We got it a good deal. Here I am seeing it for the first time, talking to my realtor, planning and thinking. There's that couch. There's a reason why it's there. That hole in the corner is a dining room. It had a laundry facility, very nice. We were happy. A playground for families and kids. Nice stuff. Bathroom, I don't know what's going on there. It was very low. Okay, here's the living room. Nice AC. Beautiful view. Okay, here's the dining room into the kitchen. The dining room is minuscule, tiny, tiny. There it is, another shot. Very, very small. I don't know. I think it was 8 by 8, 7 by 7, not even 8 feet. There's the grounds. They were quite lovely. Now, here's the kitchen, guys. It's small. It is very small, but it's new. It's all fresh. Look at the cabinetry and tiles. That's why we bought it. Okay, here comes the fun part. I started to decorate. You can see the homey touches, the signs, the cabinet shelves, and coffee and tchotchkes and food in the cabinets, and it's already warmed up and looking good. And there's a corner coffee center I made because that was there, that cabinet. You can see a peek into the dining room that was not there. We lifted a carpet. You'll see that better. The window was nice in the kitchen. As small as it was, it appeared bigger. It just did. Look how bright and homey. I loved it. I put my little stuff. Now, here's the best part. We brought those chairs from Florida. I found them in the garbage. Okay? We built that cabinetry. We're famous for the 12-inch cabinets. They're in oak here, stained. Vinny did that. That mirror was $29 at Home Goods. We created a dining room of hominess that was not there. It just wasn't. There was a carpet and it was a dead room. The picture was free from an apartment we bought here in Florida. Some paint, some love. Now look at the living room. It was nothing, and I didn't even imagine it this big. But I got a lot in, and it just was charming. We did the wood wall accent. I had the cabinetry. We painted. We added the fan. All these touches made it homey. We did quite well on selling this apartment. Very, very well. But this was our first step in Glen Cove. Had already bought this when we learned of Purcell, where we live now, Pearsall. But this was lovely. This was lovely. The bedroom was huge for our standards and anyone's by that means. It was just very large with a window, bright, airy. Above us was an attic. We could have cut through the wall and made stairs up and had super storage. We just didn't. I bought that bench in an antique shop in the back by the window. Love that. I missed that. I left it. We left it sold furnished, bed and all. That was the bathroom. We did a lot. We changed the vanity to lift it up. We added the shelves. You saw the before. It was terrible. It was like very low, the vanity. It was had a shower window, which was very nice.